Maria Imelda Romualdez Marcos.
Maganda makita. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. We, the Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Maria Imelda Romualdez Marcos as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years, ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, given this 17th day of May, 2025, in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, Chairman George Erwin Garcia, Commissioners Amy Perolino, Ray Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand Maceda Jr., Nelson Celis, Maria Norina Tangaro Casingal, and Noli R. Pipo, attested by Executive Director Teopisto E. Elnas Jr.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Marcos to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. Ay, bumaba. Nasa baba na lang sila. Kasi sila. Now, may we request Senator Marcos for a short message.
Sa mga ginagalang naming commissioner ng COMELEC, sa aking nanay na nasa siyam na 96 years old na, at kasama ng aking mga anak na kailanman hindi nagduda na ako'y mananalo. Kay Presidente Duterte, ang ating dating Pangulo, na Oktubre pa lamang itinaas na ang aking kamay, at sa kanyang anak na hanggang sa huling sandali si VP Inday Sara ay ako'y kinakampanya. Sa inyong lahat, ang tagumpay na ito, kahit gaano kailap at kahirap, ay isang katibayan na kapag ikaw ay nanindigan para sa tama, mananalo ka. Hindi nagmaliw ang paniniwala ko sa dunong ng sambayanang Pilipino Nadama at alam nila ang ibig sabihin ng sakripisyo at prinsipyo at gagawaran nila ito ng suporta at pagmamahal. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Ikinararangal kong maging ika-12 sa listahan ang tumapos sa lahat na ito. Salamat sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much, Senator Marcos. Now, may we request Commissioner Nelson J. Celis to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Manuel Mercado Lapid.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. We, the chairman and commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Manuel Mercado Lapid as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years, ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. Given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, Chairman George Erwin Garcia and the 6 commissioners, Amy Ferolino, Ray Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand Maceda Jr., Nelson Celis, Maria Nuria Tangaro Casingal, and Noli R. Pico, attested by Chupisto Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Lapid to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. Again, may we request our senators and the family to come up on stage for a photo opportunity. Now, may we request Senator Lapid for a short message.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una po ay nais ko muna magpasalamat sa ating mahal na Panginoon at sa ating mahal na Pangulo, President Bongbong Marcos, at kay Commissioner George Garcia, sa ating bumubuo ng mga komisyoner nandito sa harap ngayon, at ang alyansa ng bagong Pilipinas. At nagpakasakit at pakasipag si Congressman Toby Chanco, ng campaign manager ng Alyansa. At sa aking mga minamahal sa buhay, ang aking pamilya, at ang lahat ng lingkod lapid na nagpasakit at Senate team, at lahat ng tumulong at nagtiwala at sumuporta sa akin at lahat ng mamamayang Pilipino. Number 11 po ako, number 12. Nakakahinga na tayo. Nakahinga na rin po. Saan niyo po at apat na term ko na po ito bilang senador at gagawin ko po ang lahat ng aking magagawa at sisipagan pa natin, maghanap po tayo ng mga batas na para sa ating mga mamamayang Pilipinong mahihirap. Mabuhay po ang Pilipinas, mabihay po ang lahat po ng mga Pilipino. Sa inyo po lahat, maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. May we request Commissioner Ray E. Bulay to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Camille Aguilar Villar.
We, Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting unbanked as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Camille Aguilar Villar as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years ending on June 30, 2031 in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, Chairman George Erwin Garcia, Commissioner Amy P. Perolino, Commissioner Maria Norina S. Tangaro Kasingal, Commissioner Nelson J. Celis, Commissioner Noli R. Pipo, and Commissioner Ray E. Bulay. Palakpakan po naman natin siya.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Villar to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. And may we request Senator Villar to give us a short message.
To the Chairman of the Commission of Elections, Honorable George Erwin Garcia, Honorable Ray Bulay, Honorable Amy Ferolino, Honorable Nelson Celis, Honorable Ernesto Maceda Jr., Honorable Marta Tangaño Kasingal, Honorable Noli Pipo, sa lahat po ng nandito ngayong hapon, sa ating mga minamahal na kababayan, I stand here incredibly honored and humbled by this opportunity. I'm grateful to God that we had a peaceful elections with a very good result. And today, with all humility, tinatanggap ko po ang responsibilidad na ito at karangalan na ito. And I promise that I will work twice as hard, that I will stand twice as firm, and that I will serve with all my heart and exhibit leadership, because leadership is about showing up, standing up when it's easier to play it safe, and speaking out when it's more convenient to stay silent. I am overwhelmed by this moment because this journey hasn't been easy, and my heart is simply filled with love and gratitude. Again, I would like to thank God, everyone who supported and was part of my campaign, to everyone who pulled me through this, to my fellow candidates and my fellow senators. You are all an inspiration to me, and thank you for encouraging me. Sa lahat po ng nag-volunteer at kasama ko nung kampanya, maraming salamat. And to my family, to my husband, Erwin, to my kids, Tristan and Cara, thank you for being with me through the highs and lows. To my brothers, Paolo and Mark, thank you for guiding me and bringing me home. And above all, to my parents, to my mom, Senator Cynthia, and to my dad, Senator Manny Villar. Papa, I remember I told you when I was younger that it was my dream to be like you and to serve and to help as many people as I could. And thank you for helping me achieve my dreams and making my dreams come true. And higit sa lahat po ng ating mga kababayan na tumulong po sa akin at nagbigay ng tiwala at suporta, maraming salamat po. Iingatan ko po ang inyong tiwala at suporta at makakaasa po kayo na magtatrabaho po ako para yung mga pangarap natin para sa sarili natin, sa ating mga mahal sa buhay, sa ating pamilya, at para sa ating bansa ay makakamit natin ng sama-sama. Muli, maraming salamat at mabuhay po kayong lahat at mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Thank you very much, Senator Villar. May we request Commissioner Maria Norina S. Tangaro Kasingal to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Pilar Juliana Shram Cayetano.
We, the Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Pilar Juliana Shram Cayetano as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years, ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, George Erwin M. Garcia, Chairman, Amy P. Ferolino, Commissioner, Ray E. Bulay, Commissioner, Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr., Commissioner, Nelson J. Celis, Commissioner, Maria Norina S. Tangaro Kasingal, Commissioner, Noli R. Pipo, Commissioner, attested by Teopisto E. Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Cayetano to come up to stage for a photo opportunity. And may we request Senator Cayetano for a short message.
Good afternoon, Commissioners, fellow Senator-elects, and all the guests. Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa ating mga guro na walang kapagod-pagod na naninilbihan po during this election period. Sa lahat ng volunteer and COMELEC workers, and of course the commission headed by Chairman George Garcia. Salamat sa mga supporters ko na for the 4th time hinalal niyo ako bilang senator, sa staff ko na walang kapaguran na tumutulong sa akin, and of course to my family, especially to my mom who's not here right now, but my mom, my brothers, my kids, and of course to God. Maiksing kwento po. 21 years ago, I was elected as the youngest ever female senator. And I entered the Senate with a good name, with a background in law, and a mom of 2 young girls. My 2 young girls are no longer little girls, and I now have another son. And I worked inspired by the legacy of my late father, Senator Rene Compañero Cayetano, and the public service of my brothers, Alan, Ren, and Lino. I had the privilege of watching, of observing, and learning from great men and women of the halls of the Senate. The late Miriam Defensor Santiago, the late Edgardo Angara, Joker Arroyo, Juan Flavier, Nene Pimentel. They're all gone now, but I learned and I continue to keep their memory in my heart. And so, I know it's now my time to give back, not only to lead by example and to uphold and conduct myself in a manner becoming of a senator, but also to mentor the young. So I look around, and sino ba yung newly elected and young dito? Walang iba kundi si Camille Villar. Siyempre, bata pa si Bam, pero hindi na new si Bam. Di na. Si Kiko naman, who's not here with us, ahead pa yan sa akin. So si Camille lang, you're the only one I'll mentor, Camille. But to the rest of my colleagues, I look forward to engaging with you in healthy and heartfelt debates, to argue with you, and sometimes to fight with you to the point na I will not talk to you that day because mainit talaga ang ulo ko dahil hindi tayo nagkakasundo. Pero hihimayin natin ng isa-isa ang mga batas na hinaharap natin sa mga kababayan natin because they deserve no less. They deserve no less than people that they elected with different points of view, with different backgrounds, to argue their points, to find what is the best solution, and not to compromise just because it's easier to compromise, but to find the very best that the Filipino people deserve. We live now in the age of transformation and the age of innovation. We live in the time of acceleration, which means napakabilis pumalit ang mga bagay. Most of us who were elected grew up with a rotary phone, with a typewriter, with a file of fax, with a fax machine, with a telegram. Ask your children or grandchildren sitting here today, do they even know those words? Telegram means something else today. I asked my kids if they knew what a file of fax was, and they did not know. So we must change. We must be willing to learn. We must be willing to accept that things that we grew up with are no longer the things that our young people are growing up with. And we can only do that if we humble ourselves and begin to learn all over again. So with that, I will show up with a humble heart. I know that the Senate will stand up and be the leaders that this country deserves. So ako po yung nagpapakumbaba muli, nagpapasalamat sa inyong tiwala sa akin, and I am ready to serve my 4th term. Thank you very much.
May we request Commissioner Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr. to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Vicente Castelo Soto III.
The newly elected senators of the Republic, honored guests, good afternoon. We, the chairman and the commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Vicente Castelo Soto III as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years ending on June 30, 2031 in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. Given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines, signed George Erwin M. Garcia, Chairman, and Amy P. Ferolino, Ray E. Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr., Nelson J. Celis, Maria Norina S. Tangaro Casingal, Noli R. Pipo Commissioners, attested by Teopisto E. Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Soto to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. Good afternoon. Congratulations. 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 And may we request Senator Soto to give us a short message.
The chairman and the commissioners of the Commission on Elections at sa makapangyarihang mamamayang Pilipino, ang pinakamahalaga at una sa lahat ay ang aking pagpapasalamat sa Panginoon Diyos. Lahat ng kapurihan at karangalan ay sa Kanya. I would like to thank all those who supported and helped me during this campaign, the Alyansa of the President, especially my family, and my beloved wife, Helen. Gagampanan ko ang tungkulin na inyong binigay sa akin sa abot ng aking makakaya. Makakaasa kayo na buong puso at kaisipan ko na kayo'y paglilingkuran. In the Philippine Senate, from 1916 to the present, I am privileged to be the first and presently the only senator who have been elected 5 terms or 5 times. In these terms, I have made legislations and principally authored 259 laws that improved and elevated the lives of the Filipinos. In this 5th term, I will exercise oversight on existing laws to ensure that it is properly implemented. I will make sure that the budget of the government is used correctly. And most of all, I will make certain to restore the good image, integrity, and independence of the institution. Nais ko pong mag-iwan ng maayos na legasiya, hindi lamang para sa aking sarili, kundi para sa mga nauna po sa akin, sila Senator Vicente Yap Soto at Senator Filemon Soto, and most especially for the future generations of Sotos who will serve the Filipino people. My utmost gratitude to the millions of Filipinos who have given me their trust and confidence, and most especially to the great architect of the universe, my God. Ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat, mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Thank you very much, Senator Soto. May we request Chairman George Erwin M. Garcia to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Panfilo Morena Lacson.
The National Board of Canvassers, we, the Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as a National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Panfilo Morena Lacson as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the 1987 Constitution, Republic of the Philippines, given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, George Erwin Garcia, Chairman, Commissioners Amy P. Ferulino, Ray E. Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr., Nelson J. Celis, Maria Norina S. Tangaro Kasingal, and Noli R. Pipo, attested to Fisto E. Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Lacson to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. Now may we request Senator Lacson for a short message. Again, Senator Lacson for his message.
Matagal-tagal ko na rin kakilala si Chairman Garcia, no? At kung di ako nagkakamali, kami magkababayan sa lalawigan ng Cavite. Pero hindi ko akalain na ganito pala siya kasadista, no? 90 days kaming nagkampanya, halos araw-araw na ginawa ng Diyos, speech kami ng speech. Nung makita ko yung programa, speech na naman, poproklama na kami, panalo na kami, speech na naman, Chairman. Levity aside, no? Barring any future adverse, serious, and credible issues or accusations raised against the Commission on Elections in the conduct of the May 2025 elections, I take my hat off to Chairman Garcia, the COMELEC commissioners, the staff, the employees of the Commission on Elections for a job well done. Like those who spoke before me, and those who will speak after me, I have a long list of people to thank for making today possible. But I will only mention three most important individuals: God, my dear mother, and my dear father. Incidentally, they are all in heaven. Natatandaan ko noong kami maliliit pa, kami magkakapatid, hindi ko makakalimutan yung paulit-ulit na binibilin sa akin or sa amin ng aking mahal na ina. Huwag kayong magnanakaw, huwag niyong kukunin ang hindi para sa inyo. Katunayan, isang Lunes ng hapon, dumating ang aking nakakatandang kapatid. 1950s ito, nasa elementarya pa kami. Tuwan-tuwa siya, binabalita sa aking ina, Inay, nakapulot po ako ng 1 sentimo. And mind you, huwag natin matayin ng 1 sentimo nung araw, nung 1950s. Late 50s po ito. Dahil mahalaga po ang 1 sentimo. Ang sinabi ng aking ina, ang may-ari ng 1 sentimo na yan, hindi makakatulog ngayong gabi. Kaya saka hanap ng pera na yan. Kaya bukas ng umaga, pagpasok mo sa eskwela, hanapin mong pilit kung sino ang may-ari at isauli mo sa kanya. Yan po ang aking nanay na nagsasabi, nagbibilin na huwag kayong magnanakaw. Ang akin po namang ama, dahil siya anak ng isang veteranong katipunero, si Lolo Mauricio, ang laging habilin naman sa akin na hanggang sa ako'y, kasi nag-abot pa kami bago siya namatay, ako'y naging PNP, Chief PNP, Director General. Ang bili niya sa akin, simple lamang. Lagi mong pakakatandaan, Ping, sabi niya, ang tama ay paglaban, ang mali ay labanan. Yun po ang akin naging panuntunan, naging aking gabay sa mahigit 50 taon na ako'y nagsilbi sa gobyerno. 20 taon bilang sundalo, 10 taon bilang pulis, at 18 taon bilang senador. At ito po, Chairman, Commissioners, will be my 4th term as an elected Senator of the Republic. Mabuhay po ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang COMELEC, at mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Thank you very much, Senator Lacson. May we request Chairman George Erwin M. Garcia to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Rodante Dizon Marcoleta.
The National Board of Canvassers, we, the Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Rodante Dizon Marcoleta as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years ending on June 30, 2031 in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila. Signed, George Erwin Garcia, Chairman, Commissioners Amy P. Ferolino, Ray E. Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr., Nelson J. Celis, Maria Norina Tangaro Kasingal, Nori R. Pipo, attested by Teofisto E. Elnes Jr., Executive Director.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Marcoleta to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. And may we request Senator Marcoleta for a short message.
Mga minamahal kong mga kababayan, sa ngalan po ng aking pamilya, ako'y taus-puso pong nagpapasalamat sa natatanging pagtitiwala na ipinagkaloob ninyo sa akin at sa pagkakataong makapaglingkod bilang isang senador ng ating bansa. Ang tagumpay na aking nakamit ay tagumpay po nating lahat. Para sa akin po, ito ay tagumpay na rin ng pag-iral ng demokrasya sa ating bansa. Isang panibagong yugto na nangangailangan ng nagkakaisang pagkilos para sa kabutihan ng ating bansa. Ang pagtitiwalang ito ay hindi lamang katuparan ng isang karangalan na iginawad sa akin. Higit sa lahat, ito po ay sumasagisag sa isang mahalaga ngunit mabigat na pananagutan. Ang paglilingkod ng buong katapatan. Pagsisikapan ko po ito ay aking balikatin hanggang sa aking mapatunayan sa inyong lahat na ako po ay karapat-dapat sa iginawad ninyong pagtitiwala. Ang kailangan po natin ngayon ay pagtutulungan, hindi hidwaan. Ang kailangan po natin ay hindi paligsahan ng akusasyon, kung hindi paghanap at pagtuklas ng mabisang pamamaraan tungo sa kaunlaran. Ang 6 na taon na ibinigay po ninyo sa akin ay hindi tungkol sa paggamit ng kapangyarihan, kundi sa pangingibabaw ng tapat na paglilingkod na inaasahan at inaasam ng ating mga kababayan. Hindi po ito tungkol sa pansariling kapakinabangan, kung hindi ito ay sa kapakanan at interes ng bawat isang Pilipino. Maraming salamat, Chairman George, at sa buong kawani at mga opisyalis ng Komisyon ng Halalan. Maraming salamat po sa sakripisyo ng aking pamilya. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat.
Thank you very much. May we request Commissioner Maria Norina S. Tangaro Casingal to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Francis Pancratius Nepomuceno Pangilinan.
Yun na lang. Ay, meron na. Okay. We, the Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Francis Pancratius Nepomuceno Pangilinan as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, Chairman George Erwin M. Garcia, Commissioners Amy P. Ferolino, Ray E. Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr., Nelson J. Celis, Maria Norina S. Tangaro Casingal, Noli R. Pipo, attested by Teopisto E. Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
May message na. Now, ladies and gentlemen, may we request the representative of Senator Pangilinan for a short message.
Magandang hapon po. Ako po si Maricel Pangilinan Arenas. Ako po ang panganay. Si Kiko po at si Shawi, pangkasalukuyan pong nag-attend ng graduation po ng kanilang pangalawang anak po, si Kaki, at nasa Amerika pa po ang pamilya. Ang kasama ko po ngayon, yung Tres Marias na ate ni Kiko. Siyam po kami magkapatid. Ako po yung una. So in behalf po of Kiko, maraming salamat po. Pahayag ng pasasalamat mula sa aking kapatid na si Senador Francis Kiko Pangilinan. With deep humility and immense gratitude, I accept the mandate given to me by the Filipino people. Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos sa biyaya ng tagumpay na ito. Sa Kanya ang lahat ng kapurihan. Sa gitna ng patuloy na pagtaas ng presyo, malawakang gutom, at lalong lumalalim na pagkakawatak-watak, pinili ninyo ang landas ng malasakit, pagkakaisa, at konkretong pagkilos. Walang puwersang politikal na hihigit pa sa taong bayan na tumataya, kumikilos at naninindigan tungo sa isang layunin, at napatunayan natin muli ito sa ating tagumpay. Sa awa ng Diyos at sa lakas ng taong bayan, yung imposible naging posible. Ang tagumpay na ito ay hindi tagumpay ng isang tao lamang. Ito ay panawagan para maglingkod ng mas matapang, mas taus-puso, at mas bukas ang pandinig. Para sa bawat magsasaka at mangingisda, bawat manggagawa, bawat solo parent, bawat inang nagtitipid, at yung isusubo na lang niya, ibibigay niya sa kanyang mga anak. Bawat ama o inang nahihiwalay sa kanilang mga anak, mapaaral lang sila, mapaangat lang ang kanilang buhay. Para sa inyong lahat, ang tagumpay na ito, laban natin ito, tayong lahat, sama-sama. Panahon na para kilalanin at suportahan ng lubos ang Mindanao, hindi lang bilang food basket ng bansa, kundi bilang mahalagang susi sa ating tagumpay laban sa kagutuman at kahirapan. Ang pagkain ay dapat abot kaya ng lahat. Ang dignidad ay hindi dapat ipinagmamakaawa. Ang hustisya ay dapat para sa lahat. At ang tunay na pagkakaisa ay nagsisimula sa pakikinig sa isa't isa. Walang kulay ang gutom, walang kulay ang solusyon, walang hinihintay ang awa. Bumabalik ako sa Senado, hindi lang dala ang mga pangako, kundi ang layunin. Magtrabaho, maglingkod, at manindigan para sa bawat Pilipinong nangangarap na mas maayos at masaganang bukas. Maraming salamat pong lahat sa tiwala. Panahon na po para tayong lahat kumilos para sa pagkain, para sa pagkakaisa, para sa pangarap ng bawat Pilipino. Taos-pusong pasasalamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much. May we request Commissioner Amy P. Ferolino to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Erwin Teshiba Tulfo.
We, the Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Erwin Teshiba Tulfo as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years, ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, given the 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, George Erwin M. Garcia, Chairman, Amy P. Ferolino, Ray E. Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr., Nelson J. Celis, Maria Norina S. Tangaro Casingal, Noli R. Pipo, Commissioners, attested by Chufisto E. Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Tulfo to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. And may we request Senator Tulfo to give us a short message.
Sa ating pong mga kagalang-galang na chairman at commissioners ng COMELEC, palakpakan po natin at 10 ng kanilang mga staff sa Commission on Election. Palakpakan po natin dahil po sa isang malinis at mabilis na halalan. Salamat po. Salamat din po sa alyansa, sa pamumuno po ng Pangulong Marcos at ang aming pong campaign manager na si Ginoong Toby Chanco, and of course sa aking mga kasamahan. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Filipinos, good afternoon. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for choosing me as one of your representatives in the upper chamber this past election. It is the highest honor to serve you as a senator of the Republic of the Philippines. Today I stand before you not only as an elected public servant, but as a fellow Filipino who shares your hopes, your struggles, and dreams for a better future. In these trying times of economic hardships, social divisions, and heightened political differences, there is but one powerful force that can carry us forward, and that is national unity. Unity is not just a concept we talk about during elections. It is the foundation of a strong and resilient nation. It is what binds the rich and the poor, the young and the old, the people from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. It is what enables progress, justice, and peace. Our diversity in culture, in beliefs, in language, it's not a weakness. It is our strength. But unity does not mean uniformity. It means finding common ground, listening to each other with respect, and working together despite our differences, with one common goal: to move forward together as one nation. If we fail to unite now, we may not be able to achieve what our leaders from the past to the present have been working on to uplift the life of every Filipino citizen. As your newly elected senator, I commit to being a bridge, not a barrier. I will work with leaders from all parties, listen to voices to all sectors or from all sectors, and prioritize laws and programs that will unite rather than further divide this nation. Thus, I ask my fellow senators, let us set aside our political differences for the sake of our nation and our people, and let us work together to resolve the problems before us. We are not enemies. We are Filipinos, no matter our political colors or beliefs. Let us move forward together. Let us rise above politics, above personal and political interests, and above hatred. Let us build a country where every Filipino feels seen, heard and valued. United, there's nothing we cannot do. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you very much, Senator Tulfo. May we request Commissioner Ray E. Bulay to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Ronald Marapon de la Rosa.
We, the chairperson, the commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Ronald Marapon de la Rosa as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years, ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, Chairman George Erwin Garcia. Signed, Commissioner Amy P. Ferolino. Signed, Commissioner Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr. Signed, Commissioner Nelson J. Celis. Signed, Commissioner Maria Norina Tangaro Kasingal, Commissioner. Signed, Noli R. Pipo, Commissioner. Signed, yours truly, Perdóname. I will read this twice. Attested by the Honorable Executive Director of the Commission on Elections, Chupisto E. Elnas Jr. Attested by Chupisto E. Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
May we request the family and friends of Senator De La Rosa to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. And may we request Senator De La Rosa to give us a short message.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. First of all, I would like to congratulate the COMELEC for a job well done. A very successful 2025 midterm elections. Pakiusap ko lang, Chairman George, na sana hindi na maulit yung natulog ako ng alauna ng gabi. 20 million na yung boto ko. Paggising ko sa umaga, naging 16 million. Sabi ko, ninakawan ata ako ng 4 million votes . Pero you explained it properly, you explained it professionally, so maraming salamat for the clarification. I would also like to congratulate my Duterte PDP party mates for fighting a good fight. Marami akong natutunan sa inyo. Philip Salvador, Jimmy Bundok, JB Hinlo, Raul Lambino, Vic Rodriguez, Doc Marites Mata, and Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Natutunan ko sa inyo na pwede pala tayong mahalin ng taong bayan kahit wala tayong daladalang ayuda. Thank you for giving me that lesson. And also, I would like to congratulate my guerrilla warfare campaign team. Nasama-sama ko palagi kahit saan ako nakakarating. Kahit na anong weather, andyan sila. Hindi ako iniwan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. I would also like to thank yung more than 20.7 million Filipinos na patuloy naniniwala at sumusuporta sa akin. Alam ko po, yung botong binigay nyo sa akin, yun po ay protest vote sa kinahinatnan ng ating dating Pangulong Duterte. Kaya nasaan ka man ngayon, President Duterte, sir, I dedicate this victory to you. Maraming salamat po. At kay Vice President BP Sara, maraming salamat sa iyong patuloy na encouragement and motivation na binibigay sa amin. Thank you for the inspiration. At sa lahat ng Pilipino, ako po'y magsasabi na hindi ko po kayo bibiguin. Itaga nyo sa bato. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Senator De La Rosa. Now, may we request Commissioner Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr. to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Paulo Benigno Aguirre Aquino IV.
We, the Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Paulo Benigno Aguirre Aquino IV as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years, ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, George Erwin M. Garcia, Chairman. Signed, Amy P. Ferolino, Ray E. Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr., Nelson J. Celis, Maria Norina S. Tangaro Casingal, and Noli R. Pipo, Commissioners. Attested by Teopisto E. Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
Now, may we request the family and friends of Senator Aquino to come up to stage for a photo opportunity. And may we request Senator Aquino to give us a short message.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Let me begin by thanking, of course, the Lord Almighty. Ito pong pagtakbo po natin ay isang pagtakbo ng tiwala sa Diyos at sa taong bayan. Unang-una po sa lahat. Pangalawa, nais ko pong pasalamatan ng aking magulang, si Paul at si Melanie na nandito. Marahil po alam ninyo na kahit po 80 na po sila, nangangampanya pa rin para po sa kanilang pinakabatang anak. Nais ko rin pong pasalamatan ng aking asawa, si Timmy, na marami pong naibigay sa kampanyang ito. Lahat na pwedeng ibigay, naibigay po niya. At syempre yung dalawa ko pong girls, si Rory at si Coco. Nais ko rin pong pasalamatan ng ating Commission on Elections headed by Chairman George Garcia at lahat ng kasama po sa COMELEC. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much po. Alam niyo po, sa 90-day campaign na ito, marami po talagang makikilala. Marami pong mamimit. Marami pong mga makakausap. Mga kababayan po natin. Magsasaka, mangingisda, estudyante, call center worker, napakarami po. At yung paulit-ulit po nilang hinihingi sa mga lingkod bayan, sa mga tao po na nais nilang makita sa Senado, ay isang Senado na magbibigay lunas, magbibigay tulong, magbibigay solusyon sa mga problemang dinaranas ng ating mga kababayan. At ako po, ang hangarin ko, ang pangarap ko, ang wish ko po para sa Senadong ito, sana po lahat kami magsama-sama para tulungan ang taong bayan, para bigyang lunas ang mga problema na dinaranas ng ating mga kapwa Pilipino. Alam niyo po, ito pong pagtakbong ito ay kakaiba talaga. No? Nagsimula po tayo napakalayo. Sa totoo lang po, wala po tayo sa top 12. In fact, wala nga po tayo sa top 20. Nung una po tayo nagsabi na tatakbo po tayo. Pero dahil po sa sipag at tiyaga, hindi po ng inyong lingkod, kung hindi ng napakaraming volunteers, napakaraming kabataan na nagsuporta, lumabas, nagsalita, nag-post, nag-house to house, kaya po tayo umabot po dito. At sa kabataang Pilipino, lubos-lubos po ang pasasalamat natin. Maraming salamat. Ang binigay niyo pong mandato, hindi po sasayangin. Ang binigay niyo pong mandato, iingatan po natin at sisiguraduhin po natin na ang mga reforma sa edukasyon, pagkakaroon ng trabaho at pag-angat ng ating kapwa Pilipino, ng pamilyang Pilipino, yan po yung aaraw-arawin po natin. Ito pong kampanyang ito, there was one time may nagtanong po sa atin na reporter, tinanong po niya, Senator Bam, anong mensahe mo sa mga magulang na nakikinig? Ang sabi ko po, at ito po yung aking simpleng pangako, araw-araw na tayo po'y nasa Senado, araw-araw na tayo po'y nandoon, kasama po ng mga kasama ko po dito, araw-araw po naming iisipin, araw-araw pong nasa puso, araw-araw po kaming magtatrabaho para sa kapakanan ng inyong mga anak. Kung paano po sila magtatapos, kung paano po sila magkakatrabaho, kung paano po aangat ang buhay ng kabataang Pilipino at aangat ang buhay ng bawat Pilipino. Yan po yung simpleng pangako ni Senator Bam Aquino at kasama po ng mga kasama ko, araw-araw po kaming magtatrabaho para po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po muli. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Senator Aquino. May we request Commissioner Amy P. Ferolino to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Christopher Lawrence Tesoro Go.
We, the Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting and bank as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Christopher Lawrence Tesoro Go as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years ending on June 30, 2031 in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, George Erwin M. Garcia, Chairman, Amy P. Ferolino, Ray E. Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr., Nelson J. Celis, Maria Norina S. Tangaro Kasingal, Noli R. Pipo, Commissioners. Attested by Chupisto A. Alnas Jr., Executive Director.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Go to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. And may we request Senator Go for a short message.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat, mga minamahal kong kababayang Pilipino. Maayong adlaw, assalamualaikum. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Panginoong Diyos, kay Allah, sa buhay na ibinigay, sa mga gabay at sa pagkakataong ito na manilbihan muli sa kapwa ko Pilipino. Truly, God is good, God is fair, pinagpapala po ang nagpapakumbaba. Taus-puso din ang aking pasasalamat sa buong sambayan ng Pilipino, mula Batanes, mula Apari, hanggang Hulo, hanggang Tawi-Tawi. Maraming salamat po sa inyong tiwala at suporta sa akin na isang probinsyano, isang Batanggenyong Bisaya na tubong Mindanao sa pagkakataong makapagserbisyo muli sa inyo. Hindi ko po sasayangin ang tiwalang ibinigay ninyo. Patuloy po akong magseserbisyo sa inyo sa abot ng aking makakaya dahil bisyo ko po ang magserbisyo sa kapwa ko Pilipino. Hindi rin matutumbasan ang aking pasasalamat kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na naging mentor at inspirasyon ko sa pagseserbisyo sa loob ng mahigit 2 dekada. Huwag nating kalimutan ang kanyang mga sakripisyo para sa sambayanang Pilipino. Katulad ng pagsigurong ligtas na nakakalakad sa pag-uwi ang ating mga anak na hindi nababastos at hindi nasasaktan. Tinatandaan ko palagi ang sinasabi niya noon sa akin, just do what is right. Gawin lang ang tama at hindi ka magkakamali. Unahin ang interes ng bayan, unahin po ang interes ng bawat Pilipino. Maraming salamat din po sa ating Vice President Sara Duterte sa pag-endurso sa aming mga Duterten senatorial candidates. Salamat sa mga staff. Salamat rin po sa mga kapwa ko kandidato, Ipe Salvador. Lubos rin po ang aking pasasalamat sa mga bumubuo ng COMELEC sa pamumuno ni Chairman George Garcia at sa ating mga ginagalang na commissioners, sa bawat empleyado ng COMELEC at lalo na sa mga guro na nagsakripisyo. Yung iba po, tinawid ang 7 oras para siguraduing maayos at matagumpay ang ating eleksyon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much, Senator Go.
Hindi pa ako tapos. Sorry po. Nagpasalamat lang po ako sa inyo. Sorry po. And for my second term, with all sincerity, I will continue to push for pro-poor programs and laws, especially on health. Health is wealth. We must work together to bring quality medical services closer to our people, particularly the poor and indigent patients. Ang kalusugan ay katumbas ng buhay ng bawat Pilipino. With the help of my fellow legislators, we will also continue to help our future generations, the youth whose voices we heard last elections and who hold the promise of a brighter future for our country. Hence, we need to invest more in education, like expanding further the law promoting the universal access to tertiary education signed by former President Duterte, so that students will be able to choose more programs and avail of free education. As an advocate of sports, we should also further advance sports development in the country, especially in the grassroots, so that aspiring young athletes can be given the opportunity to improve their skills and hopefully eventually produce more Olympic medalists who will bring honor to our country. That is why I keep encouraging fellow Filipinos, especially the youth, to get into sports, stay away from drugs, to keep us healthy and fit. We will also push for legislations that, if enacted, will provide more opportunities in terms of job creation and livelihood support. Together, we must pursue and strengthen food security in order to ensure that there is food on the table of our people. Importante po sa akin ang laman ng tiyan ng mga kababayan natin, lalong-lalo na po yung mga mahirap. We must continue our fight against criminality, illegal drugs, and corruption for a more peaceful and orderly society. Mahalaga pong nakakalakad sa gabi ang ating mga kababayan na walang takot. Hindi po ako politiko na mangangako. Gagawin ko lang po ang aking trabaho para sa Pilipino. The measure of the success of a society is the way it treats and takes care of its own people. As such, starting today, let us now buckle down to work. Magtrabaho na po tayo. Hindi ko po matiis na nakaupo lamang sa opisina habang marami sa ating mga kababayan ang patuloy na naghihirap. Hindi lang naman legislation ang trabaho ng isang senador. Kasama din dito ang mandato, ang oversight para masigurong tama ang ginagawa ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno, representation para makinig sa inyong mga hinaing at maging boses nyo sa Senado, constituency, kayo yon bilang aming pinagsisilbihan. With all humility, I wish to be remembered not just as a senator, but as a public servant who puts first the welfare of our people at all times, particularly the poor and the less fortunate in life. Patuloy po ako magsiservisyo sa inyo sa abot ng aking makakaya. Sipag, pagmamalasakit at more serbisyo po ang pwede kong ialay sa ating mga kababayang Pilipino. Minsan lang po tayo dadaan sa mundong ito. Kung ano pong kabutihan o tulong na pwede po natin gawin sa ating kapwa, ay gawin na po natin ngayon dahil hindi na tayo babalik sa mundong ito. Ako po ang inyong Senator Kuya Bongo, patuloy na magsiservisyo sa inyo lahat. Dahil ako po'y naniniwala na ang serbisyo po sa tao ay serbisyo po yan sa Diyos. Maraming salamat po sa inyong tiwala at suporta. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang mga Pilipino.
Okay guys, yun lang ang video natin for today. At don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. At marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless everyone. I love you all. Bye-bye.